Magdas. It's your gal Magda. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone has a lovely day. How's it going? I am back with another video. So, I am going to discuss the topic on stage fright. Stage fright is when you feel nervous or anxious before your big performance, for a talent show, either for a talent show, a play, or a dance recital, or orchestra, or a musical, well, just when you're doing your performance and you feel this nerves and anxious. Believe me, I felt that same way too. So I'm going to give you guys 6 tips on how to overcome stage fright, and hopefully these will help you before your big performance. So break a leg to anybody out there who's doing performance work. Don't literally break your leg. Break your leg is theater talk for good luck. So yeah, if you're brand new to the channel, hello, welcome to the Spider Crew. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button down below, and press my notifications bell so you can be part of the Spider Crew. Also, comment down below, how do you overcome stage fright? And leave me in the comments down below and I will try that out. Most of these tips and tricks on how to overcome stage fright were either I've been taught by some theater professors or I came up with them myself. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Woo! So the first tip / trick on how to overcome your stage fright is stretching / physicality. So you're going to start off by stretching normally, and I'm going to teach you guys some of the stretches that I have learned from overcoming stage fright and to help me relax. So here I am stretching normally before we start. Alright, so the stretch I'm going to teach you is the stretch I learned from college. It's the swing the arm stretch. So you're going to face the right, and then you're going to bring up your right arm, and then your left arm is right here, and then you're going to swing across. Don't force it to stop. Let it stop on its own. Make sure, as when you put your hands together, your right arm should be longer than your left. Now we're going to face the left. And then you're going to do the same with your right. Make sure left arm is up, right arm is forward. So swing across. Don't force it to stop, just let it stop on its own. Put your hands together, your arms should be equal. There we go. So the next stretch I'm going to teach you is the foot articulation. So if you can't balance, if you don't have good balance like me, I'm a bit of an oaf, so I'm going to show you. So you're going to bring up your foot, and then you're going to point flex a bit of it like you're scooping peanut butter. Don't make it look like you're scooping jelly. You're scooping the peanut butter, not the jelly. Alright. And then switch it to the left. Make sure you're scooping the peanut butter, not the jelly. There we go. Like, if you can see, It's a point flex. Make sure you're pointing and flexing your foot. That's a good articulation. Foot articulation. So then we're gonna shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. I'm literally Florence in the Machine is like getting to my mind. Or shake it off, Taylor Swift. So this is okay. Get back to business. So you're gonna start off shaking your right hand for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're down by twos. And then, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yep, that's the shakeout. Shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Literally Florence in the Machine. Thank you for creating that song. So now we're going to move on to the next tip and trick. Let's go. Woo! Oh, hello. Welcome to the second step of overcoming your stage fright. So, the second tip on overcoming your stage fright is meditation. So, either find a good time to meditate. I normally meditate every 20 minutes, once or twice a day, before bed or before getting out of bed, or before getting out of bed in the morning. So I meditate every 20 minutes before bed or bedtime, if I have the time in the morning, I normally do it before I get out of bed or get out of the house for school. Alright, we're going to move on to tip number 3, vocal/breathing exercises. So I'm going to teach you 4 of them. One's a breathing technique and the others are vocal exercises. So the breathing technique is the one I've been taught in therapy. So I have dealt with anxiety and stress my entire life. So the way I calm down is the 4-7-8 breathing technique, where you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. So let's give it a try. So it's alright, everyone. Breathe in for 4. As you can see, I'm counting 8, 7, and 8 for the breathing technique. So the next vocal/breathing exercise I will teach you is the yada 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 yeet. So is the yada 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 yeet, which is a singing vocal exercises for singing or performing, or singing or acting. So let's start. Yada 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 yee. Yada 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 yee. Yada 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 yee. Yada 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 yee. You got that? Let's move on to the next vocal exercise. So the next vocal exercise is the one I made up myself. So it's the A-E-I-O-U sometimes Y. So it's all vowels. A-E-I-O-U sometimes Y. 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 Yep. If you can guess what vocal section I'm in for choir, let me know in the comments. Can you say I'm a soprano or an alto? So the next vocal exercise tongue twisters. I'm going to teach you guys 2 tongue twisters that I've learned when I was in theater in college, community college. So the first tongue twister is the pheasant's plucker's son. If you can't get the whole phrase down, then I just snap along with it or like I tap along with it. So let's go. I am not the pheasant's plucker, I'm the pheasant's plucker's son. I will keep on plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucking's done. Now you guys have a try. 2, 3, and go. I am not the pheasant's plucker, I'm the pheasant's plucker's son. And I'll keep on plucking pheasants till the pheasant's plucking's done. One more time. I am not the pheasant's plucker, I'm the pheasant's plucker's son. And I'll keep on plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucking's done. Alright. The next tongue twister I will teach you is the bugs. So one big bug bled blue blood, and the other big bug bled black. If you can't get the whole phrase down, just snap along or tap along with it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. One big bug bled blue blood, and the other big bug bled black. You try. One big bug bled blue blood, and the other big bug bled black. One more time. One big bug bled blue blood, and the other big bug bled black. So yeah, that's the vocal exercise / breathing exercises. And now we're going to move on to the next tip. Woo! Now we have tip number 4 is liquids. So the liquids I like to drink is unsweetened tea, like mint tea or green tea or whatever tea you prefer. I drink mint tea before I go on stage or perform, or I drink water to help me stay hydrated. And yeah, so the next thing is before I do performing, singing, or acting, I usually take a tablespoon of honey. There's a honey bottle right here. I just use this little tablespoon to help me clear my voice. Honey is actually good for clearing your voice. Ooh, I don't want to be careful to not make a mess. Just be careful, don't spill. Oh, I'm just going to be careful not to spill anything on the carpet. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, shoot. At least my hand caught it on time. Yep. I'm going to go wash my hand later. Last but certainly not least is the last tip I will give you is some advice to young performers out there like me. So my advice to you is before you go on stage, just tell yourself that pretend you're in your room and you're singing a song and you're singing or performing and like nobody's watching. And the advice I would give you is that you should improvise. And if you feel like you messed up, don't say that you messed up. Don't say that you messed up. Just improvise, as one does, because no one knows that you messed up except you. Nobody knows anything. Nothing is scripted. You are good. And those are the advice and tips and tricks I gave you for overcoming stage fright, and I think I nailed it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video this week. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and press the notifications bell so you can be part of the Acawiedersehen crew. Also, comment down below what tip or trick you have for overcoming stage fright. So yeah, that's it and that's all. Remember, I love you all 3,000. Remember that everything is awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Acawiedersehen!